Hello, welcome back. So, after you log on, this is the page you're going to be brought to. This is the dashboard of the Acadasuite school management system. In this video, I'll be explaining to you the control panel and what one of its icons does. So, I'll click on control panel. So, this is the page for control panel with its various menus or icons. So, here we'll be speaking in detail or explaining in details the admin users. So admin users, this is where you give access to different users, different people you want to handle different things in the school. So to create a new admin, you click on the new admin icon here. So on clicking on new admin, it brings you to this page. So where you put the person's surname, let's say person's surname is Paul, other names, let's say David. Then you set up a username for the person and also the password. Please, it's very important to know this password because that is what the person is going to use in logging in to access the portal. So the sweet thing about Acadasuite School Management software is that you can actually select which particular access, you can determine which particular access or role you want to give an admin. Let's say, for example, you want the person to have just access to control panel, students, parents, or staff side. So all you need to do is to select select them all, and then you click on submit. Let's say, for example, you are setting up access for your librarian and you want the person to have access to just the library management part of the software. You click on library management, then you submit. So let's say, for example, you want someone to have access to everything. You want someone to have access to everything also. All you need to do is also click on new admin. It brings you to this page. You select, you put the person's username, other names, username and password. Then you select what role you want the person to have. If you want to create another system user as yourself too, all you need to do is to click on system user. So this person also can set up other people also if you click on system users. That's how you give different roles and access to different persons. So this bursary part, if in your school you have different accountants, let's say for instance the accountant for junior school is different from the accountant for senior school, all you need to do is to go to edit bursary here and you select which class you want the person to have access to. If let's say you want to create access for junior school accountant, you click on GS123 and you click on update here. If then to set up for a senior class accountant also, all you need to do is come back here, then you click on bursary again, then you submit. So on submitting, then you submit, you fill up every other information too. On submitting, it brings you here, you do the same thing, edit, you select the classes and you submit. So this is how you add different users and give roles to different system users in your school. Thank you.